Artwork Fly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and in this video here I just want to say welcome to those who are subscribing. I really appreciate it. Now, as you realize, I have not been uploading for a while. Reason being, it has been a busy time where CSEC is concerned. So I think it was from February, if I'm not lying, or was it March? I stopped uploading because I did not get the time to edit the videos and stuff. I have so many videos, but I did not get the time to upload them. So some of my students were behind time where SBAs are concerned, so I have to be focusing on that. CSEC journals were not finished as yet, and it was boiling down to the time where the gradings were needed for the system, and you know, all that jazz. So those who have gone through doing CSEC and CSEC visual arts, you know that CSEC art takes a lot of your time. You have to put in the hours, you have to put in the dedication, the time to do your art pieces, to complete your art pieces and your art journal. So it has been a lot of work, and after the grading process, it was preparation for exam. Then after the preparation for exam, it was packing up, and then it was overall revision for the school, preparing the exams and for end of year. Then I have other things going on in the background, which you soon find out. So yes, I have other things working on in the background. You'll find out soon. um so it has been a lot. I have so many videos. I even have this video from Discovery Bay. For those who are Discovery Bay, hi guys, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. I will definitely upload the video. It's now summer break, so I have a bit more time on my hands where I can push out some more videos. So continue to like, share, comment and subscribe. For the new subscribers, welcome. You can comment down below where you are from, how you find out about the channel, why you subscribe, and just comment down below and let us have a conversation. Alright, so thank you guys for subscribing. I see my subscribers going up, so let us try to make it to be 500 this summer. As I said, I have more videos coming out, so just wait on those, and I have big news coming up this year, so stay tuned. And I'm sure most of you guys would even benefit from what I have in mind or what I have planned. So yes, I just want to drop in and tell you guys that I am okay. Hope you guys are okay throughout the storm, throughout this season. Everything is going well. I'm gonna begin uploading again, and basically in the background work on things that I have to do concerning this channel. So yes guys, thank you guys for liking, commenting and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Artwork Fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.